Mounting your Hoselink Evolve Hose Reel onto timber is super easy. Stick around and I'll guide you through the steps to have you set up in no time. Timber is a great spot to mount your Evolve Hose Reel as you'll want a solid surface to support the reel's weight. You can mount on a timber wall or even on a timber fence post like the one we're using today. If you have an existing Hoselink Classic retractable reel, it's easy to swap out, as the Evolve Hose Reel bracket uses the same screw template. Although you can use your existing screw holes, we recommend using the supplied Evolve hardware for mounting the new bracket to ensure stability. If you're installing your reel onto a timber wall, make sure you use a stud finder and screw your bracket directly into a framing stud. This will ensure a stable, rock-solid installation. When installing on a timber fence post, first measure how high you'd like the reel to sit. We recommend mounting the bracket about 850 millimeters from the ground up to the bottom of the bracket. Then, use the bracket as a template to work out the mounting position. Use a spirit level to ensure the bracket is level. Once the bracket is level, use a marker or pencil to mark out all 4 screw locations. Before drilling, we recommend marking 50 millimeters up on your 5 millimeter timber drill bit with colored tape. This will act as a guide for how deep you'll need to drill into the timber. Next, drill holes 50 millimeters deep using the 5 millimeter timber drill bit. Drill the 4 holes up to the tape marker. Set the bracket into place and loosely screw in each screw using the supplied 200 millimeter Phillips head drill bit. Once all screws are in place, go back and tighten each screw. Once the bracket is firmly in place, you're now ready to mount your Evolve Hose Reel. It's as simple as that. You've now mounted your Evolve Retractable Hose Reel on timber and you're ready to hook it up to the tap. Happy watering.